School is around the corner, and that means back to school. I hate this transition. It's August, we're almost to September. I have literally put together the greatest and the latest school list, all the supplies you guys are going to love. I threw in some oldies, but some goodies. I work with a company also, UB, for many years. You buy UB Gives to all the US classrooms. It's a 1-for-1, and it's a great program, and they have super cute supplies for the school year. I think you guys are gonna love this list. I'm very proud of myself. First of all, I wanna start with these awesome lunch boxes, okay? You know how kids have to have everything portioned and things can't touch other things. So my kids have secretly found these in my office, and they're already obsessed with no food in it. They come already compartmentalized, easy to clean, but look how cute. And I know it sounds weird, but having just like the compartments really make a huge difference. I love it, easy to open, comes in pink, comes in blue, and they're easy and they're not very heavy. And I love that they're slender. Like I love some of the lunch boxes, but I don't like them too thick, and I love how thin they are and that they're compartmentalized. And these are called Yum Box. I know I have to include you Mabel's labels because you are my life in summer for camps, for activities, things my family loses everything. And it's also a really great way if you have 2 boys or 2 girls. Sometimes the 2 looks like the 4, that looks like the 6, that looks like the 8. I love me some Mabel's labels. This is Gray's. They're super cute. They go on everything. They have tags. You can totally make them yours. I have so many. I am obsessed with them. This is Gray's. He has trucks, small, big, medium. Again, I use these absolutely all year around. They're called Mabel's labels, and I love it. They have little dog tags. I use them on cups. I use them on t-shirts. I use them on pants, underwear, you name it. I actually have Mabel's labels for myself, but this is Brooke's, Scarlet, and Gray, and they are just super cute. And for a mom, it's really important. Like for some reason, it gives them ownership. They know it's their jacket, and the teachers really appreciate when you label everything. And I love me some Mabel's labels. So this is something that I do year round. This was something that I ordered for my family. Flashcards. I love that they have rings in them. You can do scavenger hunts with these. You can do your fry words, which are your snap words. They're awesome. You can do little love notes in backpacks, in lunch boxes, but I think they're great. They're great for drawing. They're great for guessing. And I love that they're different colored. And again, I ordered 1,000 cards, and I literally just got them for our start of the school year. But they're incredibly handy. Okay, so I love games and I love working with my kids, and I always try not to leave them on an iPad or a phone. Brain Quest, I don't know if you guys know it, makes great little games and books. Here is the one that they can do just easily, and they also have it. This is a pre-K one. They also have the pre-K workbook. This is something that you can start back to school a couple weeks, or you can do in the summer. They're really fun. How many wheels on a bicycle? How many pennies do you see? And they go up to 4 to 5, 6 to 7, 7 to 8. Go up in all the different ages, but it's just a fun little thing you can take on a plane. This is something slowly transitioning them back into the new school year. But I love Brain Quest. I think they've come up with some great and unique workbooks and worksheets for the kids to do. It's cool. On the same note, you know, we do a lot of things throughout the year, but I love this company. It's called School Zone. I think you can get it on Amazon, Walmart, on the internet. This is called Thinkers, and its skill areas include beginning sounds, patterns, classifying. This one is kindergarten basics. This is again, math, logic, reading. These are just books that you can use again in the summer, year round, on a Saturday or a Sunday. We all get into this summer slide, as we all know as mothers when you have kids are going to school. So these little workbooks, but especially in August, beginning of September, you're really gonna try to get them back engaged and sitting and trying to be focused for a little bit. And these books are so handy. They actually give you, they kind of give you a roadmap, which if you're not a teacher like me, I love a good roadmap. Okay, I just want to say I should have probably done it with the lunchbox, but these are so cute. This is from a company called Anthropology, who I love. I love your clothes. I love your little things, but these are called Lunchbox Notes. My mom used to write little notes for me, and again, you can do it with the flashcards, but these are so cute. They're actually called Lunchbox Notes. And I just want to show you guys how cute. You just put, it says like enjoy, and you can write a little note on them. Always try your best. You're so great. Barry loves you. You're a winner. But how cute are these? I'm so proud of you. And again, you can write a little note on the back, but my mom used to do it. And again, this is just something totally special and totally, you can do it with just a piece of paper and a pencil or a pen, a marker, whatever. You can do it with the flashcards, but I just love them. Lunchbox Notes, so cute. I'm gonna talk about a company that I love. I've been working with them for a while now. Their name is Yoobi, Y-O-O-B-I, and they have amazing classroom supplies. They have 6-pack glitter chalk, which is awesome. Scarlett loves this, Brooks loves it. We do everything on the sidewalk. We do everything with chalk anyway, but I love this company because again, you buy, Yoobi gives. This chalk donates 1 item to every classroom in need here in the United States, which is huge because a lot of kids don't have pencils, they don't, much less have chalk. So again, you're buying really great products and you're also giving back at the same time. They have glitter chalk, they have awesome glue sticks, they have rainbows, happy faces. I really love this company. I'm all about a package. I love making it fun. I love making it cool. And whoever is designing for them, you guys come up with always, every year, really cute and fun things. This is rainbows and happy faces and unicorns. This is the glue. All of us have to have our pencils. This is a great company to do it with. Pink, blue, number 2 pencils. They're awesome. And again, this is perfectly, and what I loved about these the most is that they are pre-sharpened. I love it. So again, I just wanted to show you quickly, this is surfboard chalk. Like how cute is that? It makes kids love learning when they have it cute and fun. They have little mini highlighters. They have little highlighter pencils, which are really cute. But again, it's just a great one-stop shop to buying great items for back to school. They look good and you're also giving back at the same time. We do, again, you can do them from anything. I do spiral notebooks for all the kids. Even Gray, he is 2.5, but they have a journal for every year that they're in school. So we have a home journal that they can write, they can draw, they can tell stories. Again, pink, Brooks is green, and Gray is gonna be turquoise this year. So those are little things that I like to do and I like to have. And I love any kind of package. So we're constantly losing things. So little things that make it fun, I label them. This is Brooks, this is Scarlett's. Little things you can put them in. This actually came from Yoobi as well, but little packets that they can enjoy and use as their own. But how cute is this? And I love this one. This one comes with a journal, and also so you can put your pencils or your pen or your markers right in this pack. So when you first started reading, I didn't know what these books were called. They're called Bob books, and mine are kind of torn because they're easy to read books if you have really young ones. This series is called Bob books, and they're great for teaching kids how to read. Also, I can read phonetically with Pete the Cat. You guys know Pete the Cat. He's awesome. If you don't, check him out. I love it. This again is a little bit of kind of like a Bob book, but they have a great set for beginning to read and great little readers. It's that time. Summer is over. Oh, don't let it be over. But I think you guys are gonna love this list. I love when everything is new and everything will be, trashed at some point, but at least now we are in August. We are almost there and we are going to be ready. The Stuber Tribe of 5. We got our back to school list. We're ready to go. backpacks will be loaded in a few weeks.